Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a not equal symbol on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a not equal symbol in your Microsoft Excel mobile. So first of all, I just open this document here and just going to zoom in here. Now I just click inside the cell and double tap here, and now you just need to click on this number section here, and you will find want to find the equal symbol. So you click on this extra symbol. So here you just need to long press on the equal symbol, so you can see this pop up which having a not equal symbol. So just scroll up to insert the not equal symbol like this. Just long press it, scroll up, insert. That's it. So why just using Google Keyboard here? You can just download it from Play Store because there is no insert symbol option present on the Microsoft Excel mobile. If you are going to see in the insert option, there is no insert symbol option. So use your keyboard as an alternative. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video, which is super valuable Excel content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.